Hey guys, Maureen here and welcome back to my channel. So we've done a couple of silicone cases already, so I think today is the right time to unbox a leather case. So today we're going to be unboxing the Apple leather case for iPhone 12 Pro Max with Magsafe, and this is actually my first ever leather case for my iPhone 12 Pro Max, so I'm super excited. And the color is actually off because this is released in the fall probably, and it's already winter, so whatever. Every color can fit in every season, I guess. For me, I don't care what color it is, as long as you're happy with the color. It makes you happy and makes you excited. It's the feeling that counts, not how it fits to the season. I'm not sure what I'm explaining. We also have another accessory that I'm going to unbox, so I'm super excited to show you guys today. So without further ado, here it is. Love that there is a bag. Why is everything has a bag now? Is that recyclable? Let's see here. No, it didn't say that it's recyclable, but as you can see, we got the California Poppy. Okay. There. Oh my gosh. Color is so fun. We'll see the color of the case right somewhere around here. And I don't know why I'm not able to open this. Maybe there's something stuck. It pop. There you go. Oh my gosh. That color. I love it. It's a fall color, guys. Let's take it off from the box here. Paperworks. Here is the case. I love it. Magsafe, perfection. Whatever words they put in there. Let's put it on our case here. I'm wearing the Magsafe brown torque from Sonics, and if you have not watched my video unboxing on this one, I'm gonna be linking it down in the description box or somewhere around here. I wanna see. Oh, yellow! So let's change the wallpaper to something. Let's see what I can find. You guys, I just searched it and I found the wallpaper. You know what's surprising? I thought this was a fall color. Well, actually it looks like a fall color, but as I have searched, it says that California Poppy is a plant, is a Xoxo californica. The California Poppy, Golden Poppy, California Sunlight, or Cup of Gold is a species of flowering plant in the family Papaveraceae, native to the United States and Mexico. Bloom time of the California poppy, hot summer areas. The poppies will bloom in spring and early summer, and then the tops will die back and the plants become dormant during the heat of the summer. The poppy survives in the form of a fleshy taproot. In cooler coastal climates, California poppies may bloom most of the summer. So we are in the perfect time to unbox this, because it's gonna be springtime soon, it's gonna be summer soon in a couple of months. So perfect that we unboxed it in February. I love it, guys. Perfect. Sides also looks like aluminum or something. I'm not sure, but they look kind of glossy. I love it. I love the color. It looks gold. Matches our gold iPhone perfectly. It has a really soft touch. And on the inside, there is a microfiber lining. Same thing as the silicone case. So yeah, it's super soft and it will help protect your iPhone. Let me put my phone back here. I love the sound. This is made actually of high quality leather. It has a fine leather belt. I don't even know what that means. It will show creases, patina over time, and especially when we are using the Magsafe, it will actually leave a Magsafe mark or a circle mark around here. So if you don't like that, you should just choose the clear case or the silicone case instead. So I have the Sonics wireless charger and the pedestal magnetic phone stand here. Let's try it on the Apple leather case. There's nothing that has changed. I guess it's the camera area here. They kind of have a high border right here so that the iPhone camera will not get scratched. But of course, because we are smart, I did put a camera protector there. My camera right here is a little bit high already. I don't really see it when I look it straight flat. In here you can't see it. It's kind of slanting on the video, but I'm trying to look at it straight if I can see the camera, but I don't see it. So it's perfect. We have a camera protector and we have a high borders for the camera, so we are safe. And let's look at the Apple logo here. Oh, I can feel the Apple logo. Aluminum sides, it's so pretty, guys. The bottoms, oh my god, I love that it's covered right there, and the screen right here is a little bit high, so our screen is protected even if we have a screen protector. Double safety. Slippery, but of course I'm gonna be careful holding this. Have to hold it really tightly on my hands. I don't want it dropping on the floor. I just feel like this is the perfect time to unbox it with the leather case. And it is, ta-da! Oh my god! The box right here, natural leather. So I, picked it up at Best Buy. Here it is. Ooh. I got this during Christmas Day, but I just feel like this is the perfect time to unbox it and show you guys. Perfect to do it together, okay? Inside, you can see a envelope here with a couple of paperworks. I don't know why they do paperworks. Who can read these little letters here? I can't read those because I can't really see close. This is the rest of the box, and here is the wallet. So I was really interested in getting one of these because I've unboxed a 6-key ring holder from Louis Vuitton before. This is where I put my keys here. And I actually put my cash and my cards in there. If my husband drives, I don't bring my keys at all. But I want to bring my IDs or my cards in here or my cash. But I don't want to take my keys with me. How can you do that? I don't want to take this off because it's so annoying when you take this off right here, this area. And I have a wallet too, but I'm just used to using or bringing this with me. I don't know how to explain it, but I just like when I just grab something that I need, not bring a ton that I don't need. Let us take this thing right here. Push that one up like that, like so. It's a thick paper. I can't even fold it, but it might be really expensive. It feels really sturdy. It feels really strong. Maybe because there is a magnet in there. And let's snap it. Oh! It does that too? Cool. Let's say I am going somewhere. In a few minutes, we're gonna go grab tacos. So he might be driving his car and I'm gonna be driving with him. So I'm just gonna bring this with me. I'm gonna take my cards in here, or my cash, and put it in here. Uh-oh, it's getting tight. I don't know if I can put more. I can't take it off. Con. If you have a long nail, you can't take it off. It's super tight in there already. Ah, my nails. You snap this on there, it will give you a sound. And when you take it off, it will also give you a sound. Oh, it will just give you a sound, but it will not show a animation. So final impression, I love the leather case. I love the color California Poppy. Let's just say that this could be worn in the springtime and the summer. Slippery but tolerable. And the iPhone leather wallet, if you put too much, you can't take the cards out. Just make sure you leave a little bit there to hold, and then the rest would be easy to pull. Also, I think it's not that strong, but it's kind of scary when you're like moving a lot. But when you're just holding your phone like this and you know, you pay attention, I guess you'll be fine. Yeah, but I love it so much. I love the idea of just a quick kind of card or wallet thing right there. I think the purpose is something to put your credit card and your driver's license quickly. The leather, actually, it's a little bit slippery, but because of the bulk right there at the back, you can still hold it well. So yeah, I love the case, guys. The California Poppy, perfect that we unboxed it this month. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for joining me in unboxing my first ever leather case for my iPhone 12 Pro Max and my iPhone wallet here. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!